the Audi virtual exterior side mirror. The screens is right below here. This is the screen for the right side and for the left side. So how are we going to adjust? Just tap here and you can move around. Okay? And how about here? The passenger side. Are we going to move all the way to touch the screen to adjust it? If we need to stretch all the way to the screen on the passenger side to adjust, then it's just like going back to the old days adjustment, which is our grandparents' car. You need to go and adjust manually. So how are we going to adjust for the left side? Simply go back to the right side screen, tap and select this one. Now this is for the left side here. So this is how it works. You tap here again, then it's this side. You tap here, it will turn darker, and now you're adjusting this side. And for the memory setting, there's two memory here, but the memory settings is for your steering and the seat. It's not for the side mirror. Some cars, especially the Alphard, it comes with the memory for the side mirror. Okay, you can see. They need to have memory because everyone have different height or adjustment they prefer. So when you move higher, you see, the wheel in the mirror will be different, which is why they need to have memory. And for the Audi, so for this virtual side mirror, there's no memory. And actually, we don't really need to have memory for it because you still get the same view. Actually, you get the same visual no matter what position you are in. So there's no point to have a memory function for the virtual side mirror in Audi. That's the settings for the side mirror. For the tailgate setting, you can check my video here.